A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to TSN English class. This is your chapter number, or you can say topic third, subtitling from your writing section. So, the purpose of subtitling is to convey the main idea or theme of each section of a long piece of writing. So, here by the title, this subtitling, you will get to know the main idea that what is subtitling. Whenever we give title, so this is the part of like titles. So like you are giving titles, so this is similarly a bit like that. But why we are doing this subtitling? The purpose. So what is the purpose of giving subtitles? Is to whenever we convey the main idea or theme of each section. So by this or this subtitling, this give us the main idea or the theme of each section of a long piece of writing. Whenever we saw a long piece of writing, first of all, it is like a sometime we thought that it is time consuming. So and sometime we thought that we don't have that much time to read the whole piece of writing. That is why we are ignoring that or we are not doing it properly. So this is for that. So subtitling, it also creates the interest of the reader. So for that, the main idea of this subtitling is to give title to each section, or it will make easier for us to read the whole piece of writing. So it helps the reader know at a glance the subtopics that are being addressed. So what happened when we subtitle a piece of writing? That after doing that, it is very helpful for one who reads the topic or one who reads the information, that it gives a idea before reading that okay, this topic is about information, this topic is about certain features, this topic is about the importance, this topic is about something else, or this topic contains so many facts. So basically when we give titles or subtitles to a piece of writing, then it is for the or it is beneficial for the reader, or it is convenient for a reader at the same time, so that how we are addressing that paragraph, this will make easier for us whenever we read that the same piece of writing in the future. So basically the this is the main way to create the more interest, the more convenience for the readers. Giving suitable subtitles help the break the monotony of reading long passages. And when we are giving suitable, so it is necessary to give suitable titles to each and every section of the long piece of writing. So whenever there is long piece of writing, what a person will do, he will give subtitles, or it's like breaking of the long piece of writing. So or dividing the something which is in a very lengthy a section of writing, you can divide that or break that into some paragraphs or in some pieces like that. And then after giving that, you are giving titles to that particular small pieces, so that it will help you whenever you read it further or in your upcoming days. It will give you an idea, or you are whenever you glance at it, then you will have the idea that okay, this subtopic is about this, topic is about this paragraph is about giving information about the things. So basically subtitling gives the information to a reader about the different paragraphs or about the different things. So now let's read the purpose of subtitling. First of all, the learners will be able to take the overview of the article. It will help whenever we read an article, then we are overviewing that, because we don't understand that, or sometimes it's like difficult for us. So it saves us from overviewing of the article. So learners will able to take the overview of the article. Second, it breaks the monotony. Third one, learner will be able to know at a glance. Whenever we look or by one view, you can able to know the whole piece of writing. It makes the written account more attractive and gives better view of the subject. And subtitling, it gives a very attractive way to that particular piece of writing and give better view to each and every subject or each and every part of the piece of writing. It helps the learner and reader to know the exact topic and content as well. And after giving subtitles, we are able to know about the exact topics and the contents, that whatever are there, whatever is there in the whole paragraphs or passages. While studying, we can read subtitles and can try to recollect the content within. So whenever we read the paragraph, we can read the subtitles also, and we can recollect the information in a very easy manner, that whatever is there in the content. Subtitles make the reader interested in the topic. And one more thing, because of the because this process makes the paragraphs or the long piece of writing easy, so it create a very interesting thing in the whole piece of writing. That is why one who reads this the piece of writing, it will enhance the interest of the reader, so enhance the effectiveness of the content. And at the same time, the content, the effectiveness of the content will also enhance by this method. Last, student can break his or her answers into subtopics and give appropriate subtitle to make answers precise. When students are learning this process of subtitling, then they can easily break their answers into subtopics and they are able to give appropriate answers or appropriate meaning or appropriate way through which they can answer in a very precise manner. So here you have your whole paragraph of subtitling. A new deal for old cities. The example of Curitiba in Brazil, which has attracted global attention for innovative urban plans using low cost technologies, show the inclusive development model for urban renewal or workable. So here these are some italicized word by which you can by which reading those italicized word you can easily know about what's happening there. So this is basically these italicized word in the sentence. These are the at the top of the article, and by reading this you can easily, or this tell us about the glance of the that what the article is about. Then you have to divide some sections in your article, that okay, this article is based on. So the second work is to divide the article into the section. It will make you, or and then you will have to give subtopics or suitable subheadings to each section. Like in the first one, it is given over here that the first uh, here the paragraph, it is he is giving subtitle that urban decay. The main the main title is the new deal for old cities, and the second is like urban decay. So this is like subtitling. So you can practice this by reading some newspaper or magazine, and it is depicted over here that how you can give subtitles to your long pieces of writing. And keep it in mind that it is very necessary for you to give suitable titles. Whenever you are giving suitable subtitles, this will help you in breaking the monotony also. So do it in your notebooks.